Unlocking the secrets of math. Solve the inequality. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel, where today we're diving into a fascinating math concept, solving inequalities. If you've ever wondered about how to navigate through expressions that aren't exactly equal but instead show a relation of more or less, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore what inequalities are and how to solve them, making this concept clear and accessible for everyone. In mathematics, an inequality is a statement that compares two values, expressions, or quantities. Unlike an equation, which states that two expressions are equal, an inequality shows that they are not necessarily equal but have a relationship of greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, is greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to, is less than or equal to. Understanding these symbols is key to solving inequalities. When we solve an inequality, we're looking for all the possible values that make the inequality true. The process is somewhat similar to solving equations, with a few critical differences. You can add, subtract, multiply, or divide both sides of an inequality by the same positive number without changing the direction of the inequality. Important: if you multiply or divide both sides by a negative number, you must flip the direction of the inequality sign. This is a crucial step many learners miss. Let's start with a basic example. Solving a simple linear inequality, such as x plus 3 greater than 5. To solve this, you would subtract 3 from both sides to isolate x, resulting in x greater than 2. This means that any value greater than 2 makes the inequality true. We'll walk through several examples like this to get comfortable with the process. As we progress, we'll tackle more complex inequalities, involving variables on both sides, and inequalities that require multiplying or dividing by negative numbers. We'll also explore how to represent the solutions on a number line and how to interpret compound inequalities, which involve an and, or statements, making them slightly more complex but definitely manageable. And that wraps up our journey through solving inequalities. We hope this video has shed some light on this essential mathematical concept and that you feel more confident tackling inequalities in your studies or daily life. Remember, practice is key, so don't hesitate to pause, rewind, and try the examples on your own. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.